leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it. You have to grab a hold of it.
Here. Stand.
You have to hold it by the body. Like right
You want to walk out a little
Yes.
bit and throw it?
Now let's go over here.
No. Stand.
Okay, throw it as hard as you can. Okay. Now tell Jake. Tell him loud. Get it. Jake.
Good job, JJ.
Good boy. Stand.
Oh,
Tell him
Home
to
to
see
you.
you.
too loud, Jay. Like you're the boss.
Want to come get it from him?
Come on, go get it. Go take it away from him. You have to do that. That's part of it. Just go up and tell him, hold your hand out. Whoops.
Grab it by the head or the wings. Say, give.
Say it loud, Jay.
Come on, say it like you mean it. Say give.
Grab that leg right there.
Step up to him. Step up to him. It's Dad, won't
Say
hurt you. Tell him give.
Say it loud, Jay, like you're mad at me.
Give.
Stand. Give.
Good job, JJ.
You're on good.